CBCB this time. Sinja screen.
Kuchilendas.
Podcasting Chile. I'm podcasting Chile.
Yendas.
Nala.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna put me free.
Oh, sorry.
I think I'm gonna put me free. You're cool. Good job. Yeah? What am I coming to?
Sivezati.
Sivezati. This is American. Why? Sivezati. Ah, that's a lack.
Sive.
Yeah, I know that it's Sive. I know Sive said you.
Sivezati.
Oh, no, we should see. Most probably just something else. Context of not being there. Okay, guys, Ninja, it's been quite a minute. Back again, Prime. Okay. So, Swile. Yeah. Okay, meaning yakula though. The flu, even though that's
Double malt. Twice.
Labanye bake bangitshela ukuthi alcohol yalo iyaqeda umkhuhlane.
Serious. Okay, yeah.
Ngathi straight, bava ngokusho straight.
Ayi.
Khona lo yimjida lebe ngisipana naye. Like literally did one boss tena i-half jack. Yeah, i-half jack
Clip throat.
Ingoda nakutshala nalo clear white man.
Bantu Cordons.
I-cordons, yeah. I-half jack ye-cordons. Like wayishaya sono ngoba ngifuna ukuyidesha. Ngiyishaya sono umkhuhlane wamtawu.
I remember since pamanje usiphethe umkhuhlane leni sihamba salapha sithole sithenga i-cordons. Enkulu
Ngenza umkhuhlane.
Yeah, usiphamanje kusithi asikhipha umkhuhlane. Bekudika nathi bekungena busika yini. Ngatsako ngavuka sengiphethe ipapalaza nemkhuhlane ngoya. Lento leyo wabe.
Now it's always the case like Twala every time like when I be worse umkhuhlane. That's why every time we make it sure ukuthi if guta maybe psika or maybe ngawuchinja indzawo and stuff like that ngithenga ama-4-in-1. That's the only, these days at least that's the only thing that works. Okay, ngapha see I'm paid.
I think that's the difference between me and
I
say one thing lenginyanya uliphilise which angifuni ukuyena.
Okay, now it's not like good thing ngiyalithanda ukuse. But uma so desperate ukuthi angisanayo any option because I think ukuthi endabeni yepeta nehlanda I don't know ukuthi ngafuna bite in ukuthi ngikhona ukufika ngentele.
Okay. No, for me even kupeta it's tough. Can't I do it? Because and there's you need to. You need to.
Like yeah, they don't do something pete.
Okay, like peta, gauge niya. Okay, but instead of peta, I mean, maybe something like laxative or castor oil.
Ngiyasaba lo like ngiyengeva ma stories abantu abake bayithatha castor oil. Like I hate just running stomach nje like it's sugar.
Yeah.
Here's when isusi like it's that I'm waiting for it okay. Sugani kitchen ma vele ngiye toilet nana.
No, I think it's better than ukucatseka babe. Peta.
I think so because angase like literally leyo angase vela. Ngingeva nje ma stories abantu ngase ngiyisaba since then.
Hayi. Ikahle. But ke iphilisa hayi. Mina kwala nginywe yinja bro. yawo khali unywe nje base kuse ngifuna unathina amaphilisi la utaba nemarabi ngathi yingeke ngihamba ngithobe ekhaya baza kubenza
akukhumbula ukuthi arandosenza ngade kwendeka ngempilo yakho because waqala wasitela inyosi
ngashaya inyosi liso lami lavaleka
phela ayengaqala kancane ngikhumbula uqala la this thing alona noma ukuthi besizama ku
I don't know. Yabo experience yami nenyosi but to this day okay angisabi inyosi per se but ngiyahlonipha baba.
Did you the only person that ngambona I don't know allergy or what other such reaction towards it.
Most yabo makukhule masabusini. Inyosi leyo ngabulana.
But like okay like ngile yaphela lenyosi yakho into this thing noma every time I was there inyosi kuba nge same case. Just because I remember the music, tap. You and then just like hey man, just like that tap. Okay, guys. For context, let's go to emakhaya. So emakhaya kuna this thing here, ukuthi yasing. So kusinga, it's go very important. It's like inotingela tinyosi. So it's a term yekuthingela tinyosi. Bokhona masosinga letinyosi leto bongekho wafika sejokisha. So meaning down but look at just the first part is kind of start sing. So mase sing I remember lokuthi bekunasifiso kunamdu. I don't remember specifically Pamela bekakhona on the first day. Magosing yes. Because thathola ngisifiso to. So lengasekhaya kunema gum trees, mawati gum tree. Ikula ibe yinze, like iba yinze gum tree, like it's the same as the pine tree. So letinyosi for whatever reason decide wakaletu ku gum tree. Like siyamba sethola species come nananana. Then I don't remember if it was the same day or it's a different day. I would just say it's a different day. Kola bese sihamba khona siphamanda, sesithi sesiyotikhipha manje. Ngakhumbula safasa emathungo like emathungo lamathi sawafasa then sifuna ukuthi hlaba ngalithungo so sithi
sebe yeah
bese sifuna ukuhlaba thina amakheke because betakhe la side lale sihlahla so sifuna ukuhlaba kanje sibe siyakuflipa kuwa phansi but ngendlela bethi high ngakhona leyo even sure lamathungo bewangafiki lapha siwafasa ngathi 3 yawo imvelo sime phansi yelo kwa control because besihambisa ngalesihlahla so uzaza ufika phezulu kwabita ukuthi mdidizi because agibele la lesihlahla to a height I think be above indlu like nje above the height yenu agibela afike lapho then besifaya ejo lafika lapha lethungu yabo then nase because just ati pick it out letinyosi lethungu letinyosi hamba ngalethungu dude Teta yebo. Teta makafika phezulu except teta straight lapho and ukhathile la nhlobo like ushane Chisco. Ukhathile literally setamsuta letinyosi wagoba wenda so. Ngathi wabona because usually a normal nyosi like mawugoba wenda kanje itaba like because besicaba mhlambe just isihlahla or isikodo or isiphundo something bese yasuka yakushiya. But later say ngathi bethi understand I don't know just the better can
and that was a conference card
damsutela it was what jump from there what jumpela past angabuki manje ukuthi ujumpela kuphi just for the fact that I need to
the height
exactly nakasuka lapha makafika past nakajump tihamba naye like
the pass
tiyana le pass nathi pass atimiyekeli wakishima wathi wafuna just last papa
ngera khona
yeah like just let's uzaba ukuthi transfer to sibamandla
umele sibaba ndabona kuba
sanja uyamathi le nyanga ukuthi everything is a joke sanje wabona ukuthi laphethu wavula kwakuphela nje wajama umdilizo wahlala phansi wabuya wangena la jazi kusimamandla kanje sanje ngona realize amazi sekusele lethi sadlala baba
hayi leta but ngathi kuhlukene leta phela leta ngilebethi
letitnani yeah
and mina I know one thing etinyosi ukuthi walala phansi
funa tikiyeke
mina inyosi yangishayiswa ngiloko ngiyabaleka you can tell ukuthi ikhala ngasendlele ngiyabaleka
that's shit that my
color
it's
and mina I can tell ukuthi kusele inyosi le nto angifaka up uklik la ukuthi walala phansi inyosi ayikwendini ngale phansi ngazi uyashaza kwayela lapha yabuya ihamba lapha abanza khona
mango ngabe sibaningi that day
ayiswane
I remember ngabe kufike almost bonke bafana bangani makhaya but I sign that the next person iyajiki biyabuya
kwayela yangithwangilela lapha phansi yayishayela ngathi angishaya lobusipha lobheka nje.
Like you could feel ukuthi hayi lokusuta loku different or bekufana nje
no ngakubekisa yamombolombolo
yeah
ngibekisa njengaye babe ngazi ukuthi sendikushaye
okay labanga mathi imbolombolo sathi bathi imbolombolo it's this thing imnyama lento iphile emhlabathini
yeah so African end
yeah
wangishaya le news babe then mazivuka lapha mangivuka lapha like kusengishaya news ngikhipha le doses
taba right
you said angisakhuluma ngicela abantu ngisakhuluma ngicela ngisakhipha
walithola lo
alikhipha yeah walithola
wow
then kwavuvuka vele it's a natural reaction
at the time
yeah kwavuka kancane nje so sambe sikhaya Musifika kumbula babantu so bengifuna everything lenga stop ngayo
bese ne pain obekuthi pain
ipain bengekho but nginovuvu
okay.
So sekufuna everything nje dawehlisa lenami levuvu I remember siphamandla wathi kusazame ingothi besusa team 200 i blue date
mama masifanye setsala sendisatinde lo mchitalo siphamandla
angitheli blue date kwafana sakhipha ama ice cube onke kwafana so
like ufaka ama ice cube la lelo yena
yeah la khona so ngiyashikisha ngama ice cube akusibhlungu yabo I'm not worried ngihambe ngiyolala
yeah
mangilala le ndiya yes mangivuke kusensela sengivuke la
like ayiseko
la singivuke vuvuke amatinya amarayi ngicela siphethe alright amatinya sengivuke la
damn like we had tibuke esibukweni ngiyabona ukuthi
ngibuke esibukweni ngiyabona ukuthi kanje and manje bekavuma ke because I'm sure maye beyangekho
ngabe singasekho ekhaya manje vele
no but ngamixwa ngwe-clinic on Monday ngasi beyangekho le weekend leyo
oh
yeah
yes,
because
ngakubona besikhathi isibhizi vele sizaba kugrabha lapha beyangekho
mangakhumbula ngaphinze ngalala I think mangilala Sunday yovuka kube Monday yaphinze ndiya shifta from here buyela la yase seyivalaliso mangivuka ekseni ngobathe
ulivulile lelizo
ngivulile but
damn
sekuvukile la
my before uyatibuka esibukweni awukho wale ukuthi sese umuntu behla kavalile
no I knew la mcolo nami ukuthi ngishaya news so something is happening understand
but awukazi the permanent thing because awusengathi bo okay ngivalwe this thing noma boyifina ukuthi kuna something lapha phambili
no okay bengibona but bekuvalekile like
okay
yeah you can it's like mawuvale imihlo kancane you can see but awubona nje mhlawumbe ubona ngayo so I can see ukuthi ngiyabona hayi wafika make bayashaya ke make so before start yo wangishaya before say clean so like already knew saying shayile yile weslonga yini
manje vele sekusemthafu
masifika eclinic bangijova ngaphuma basa ngiphumela ngapha ngafika ngalala lapha stupid yangidraga nje
like like the pain still so we feel
so like
like it's just the swelling pain wow
to this day ngiyabuthe kusekusikwende kanti this thing babe ayizange yababhlungu yave nje avuka kuphela
yabe siphela after isikhathi siganana ngale clinic bala
I think after 2 hours ngijovile
bakufaka ama allergies
no bangithola ngijova kuphela I don't know ukuthi
yeah mhlawumbe it's allergic reaction because allergies igama different from I remember ukuthi mina last year benginkinga yemehlo
okay
bangeta eye drop ye allergies
oh
then kune gcobisa like ointment then bese bani maphilisi I think ikhona la kulanda nangayihlali ngabe khona
ejoveni
bana sakhona ke jobo you yawona umjobo la namhlanje that day la ngawuhlonipha konke so mina ngathi this thing ukuthi in most things bana bakhuluma ngathi yabona especially something that I experience me because baningi abantu banemanga over mfana banokutshela ngasemthini uyibalekele for quite some time uthi nasuthi it's not as bad ngendlela abantu bayichaza khona so bana ndenze mawungathi ungawathi maphilisi but mina ngekwanatha nje because yes it's we have akona okay nginathi maphilisi ngicala bathi izinyana kancane but nje akusi like it's something ongazube like yeah yabo so sometimes ngiwanatha nje ngiba konke ngiwanatha manje bese ngidlalithe nana beke njani ngabe nginemkhuhlane something engale ndamithi angithandi clinic yabo like nje ma hospitals ma clinic angithandi because of le reaction lo receiver lapha nani but ekselo ukudla lo ngibamba so thafu uzivile kwakhosa ukuthi ngiye ukudla nani ngiya eclinic kangahle. I remember noma bekuphuma eground or something because aim yami mangiphuma endlini bengathi bengiya eclinic. Ngingangena eclinic. Then before ngingena eclinic, ngifonele i-girlfriend yami. Ngiyabo. Ngibe like ngabona nathi because I know that's ikhanda ngifuna ngakuyo. I be like okay, now vela masoto ngidlula ngala eSouth. I'm like okay, sharp fine. Ngihamba ngene clinic ngichaza story sami. I remember futhi at that time bengi friend with some of Lamane. I think lo magelo ebekafuna project agriculture. Ngiyamake Makondo lo wasekushuku. Dark nje lo make
Malava.
No, Malava kusindo lo khanya.
Malava.
Jothi nguye but nje mina mathi ngamake Makondo. Waseshuku ngithanza over.
Oh, ngiyambona my Makondo, makwali phoyisa lelana.
Yeah, makwali. Yeah. Boy 2 labo make labo boy 2. Besina ngilo bekathi simendise agriculture semake Makondo like bangithanza over nje for whatever reason. Then nafika lapha vele ngixoxa nabo na. Then abayakhe hayi relax and ngifaka umjovo yabo angibude ukuthi ngidlile I'm like this thing is in the
ngidlile boy
I'm like
umjovo
I'm shy lo mjovo ntana nakuphuma eclinic I can feel it's okay I can say I feel some type of way but I'm like it's not something serious yabo ngiyashifta ngiyahamba then ngifike take girlfriend yami inatavela available dude. Like I think in a space of 30 minutes itwana ngapho sengangafika ekhaya nasi yeah bese dizzy lokho ekuselo kwemjovo ukuthethe onke amandla lamtimbeni ngilapha ngawuhlonipha khona umjovo am like sephizile ngapha kumjovo ngikadli yeah ngashi igirlfriend yami angibonge sisema even more than 10 minutes lapha lento ebona first try I'm jealous with it them jolo
okay, man, before now, bathi life expectancy bafana ihliswa ngilo ukuthi bafana bathanzi kuya edibhedlela clinic.
I think not ukuthi bafana bathanzi edibhedlela.
Banbesilisa.
Bantu besilisa abathanzi into leta baneta difficulty without gain. Yabona umuntu wesilisa kusena if there's a gain to something he's utawuya whatever length.
I remember. Okay, I'm not going to mention it. I was talking to this guy in Chela said, I had been ngaphathwa idrop yaze yaphelela. Ngathi I was like, whoa.
Kunema much their speaker struggle sound that me
I'm call every time of him to he's not beginning I say
no me ngakusit. Me my STIs right me.
I don't know so.
Good my STDs.
Yeah.
And then my STIs, but one falls under the other. You know, I think
STI.
In my STIs, guna la minor STIs. Yeah. Like the nami ke one part of the thing. I'm like, that don't make sense. Nothing. One bedlela majority of the nest bandes. I remember it was my 8 years in university. I opened my ukulele like school as a high school. Let's see, a high school was so responsible and focused towards in that I'll come in a late bloomer than I will put my sex. The moment you call heavy sex and like I'm
going all out.
All out every day, every time. And I think the friction, let me exert.
Yeah.
No that part they let's la catala la
not today.
Yeah, and then saying Sabbath in there would see. Saying Sabbath in there would see. The cherry knows good see. I'm a freaking baby.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are like from the moment this is what she can feel good. I'm enjoying this thing. Then when they got numbers and like
not today.
Not today. Ngiyasaba like kumkhazela
ngishaya
but I can feel that ibhlungu ibhlungu wahamba for some time ukuthi yabo ibuhlungu mfana hayi kancane. No, I'm like okay. Ngichubeke. I think it's so see it's having ukuthi ibuhlungu. Shothi mhlambe beyilimele or something. Yabo. Maybe no matter the challenge. But I think that's a big absolute. You should be that tight.
No.
Yeah, because I don't think it's yeah.
Or ungenise ngeko wethu.
Most probably, yeah. Most probably, money affects us.
But I think you can feel level now.
But I think it's here.
Oh, be umkhulu. Money affects us.
I don't think it's umkhulu. Ngimuthe ya, but now then ishothi mhlambe yabe siyalimala. Cha ngibabuhlungu mina, ukuthi bese ilimele. Ngachubeka. And I remember phela lapho ku discharge kalamanye ama liquids la reactive
acidic.
Yeah, when that reactive over that. I think should some of them liquids are reactor lapha ntana. Ooh. Yabo uhamba ufika ungene toilet ntana uvuthi phethe mchamo ukuthi afike toilet next up. Aphum next in fine, but you can feel it saying everything but some calm. Damn you.
But
Yo, I apologize that guy.
No. The person for sketches gonna.
This thing, I think ngabe singa relax because okay, in fact I ngabe singa relax because this thing is serious. Ngabe because bengasakhona look. Yabo ukuthi say ungakhona ukuqhutela khona lenye into. But lento uyilimate thwena kusende ethu ukuthi angisakhona. Like even noma sothi uzama ukuyifaka ebuthi cha.
Marvin, coming to that, how do you deal with this thing? Do you approach a partner who success? Because you feel right, probably not feel right, but so many STI, it's like we are kuluma nayo. So because I remember this one time, I had this one friend of mine who see persuading Ndwala. Understand? Like but then work at Ndwala who say abang fungubiyeng. Ndwala angithatha ukuthi iqhamuka phela. And ngiyasaba ukuthi nginazo approach lo cherry.
Bekana multiple partners kilo. Noma bekana munye.
No, bekana munye.
Okay.
At that time, bekana munye, understand? But because I'm accused, understand? So I don't know, how do you deal with these things? Do you approach a partner yakho or feel like a cat? Or how you check? Because I remember the movie Tyler Perry, and that's why did I get married to. Then the outie, I was able the outie in a job. And outie I cheat on a pan. So I couldn't approach a Mpatwayo. Can Mpatu we forget my bomb, I'm cheat, Chambergo cheat on fire.
Okay, now
the other shoots in the top. I am fired in the Chabutola in the yard. And I said, I suspect to send the Zaki sheet. Then the Zaki say night top, say Sabalo worship because they'll see what we say. That's a stinger. And the Cherukat, the Cherukat, yeah, out to put no calling, sending something to over something.
But I clearly understand the line of
I'm like approaching good relationship.
No, not just good relationship. It's the one thing I think the entire world is struggling with. In fact, yeah, so we are used to my contracts. Yeah, look, to my contracts are so created into an extent. I would say some of my noises and factors like affect a social setting. Our because if you start a business, there's a character that you have to portray. Yeah, and later anything else aside, it's like in business it's a controlled environment. Yeah, good except la many factors. So I keep it so that additional factors like 2 or maybe 3, 4. It must now listen to what this time. But good social life and done. You experience every factor at once. Yeah, and you can never know what specifically play factor. So ngizama ukuthinga lento le yabo ngizama ukuthi asibekise ma udila ngendaba ye harassment emsebenzini kunema laws ku contract specifically lasho ukuthi wamshaya tibuni
Sexual
harassment. Whether bekafuna, whether beka-enjoya, whether bendlala, whether to whatever extent.
Ikhona police.
Ikhona police washaya ibunu nje. Sevele sexual harassment. Yabona? But ku social life kunekuthi bezidlala. And that's acceptable. Because sometimes when I don't know, madam I don't know mangakwathelo washaya ibunu. Because ayakuthanda wena. Bonding harassment lento leyo. And phela we can't dismiss that. Yabona. Ngifike mina ku the same chick. Yabona. Abe like utshela ethi athi angivisisi lena mhlawumbe ngiyakutshena or nje athi le work for me. Yabo. Ngimshaya ibunu kube case. Yabo. Ube like dude, Nama was doing the very same thing about young Sabel. Abe like when are you not Sabel? Yabo. So in that case even nala kunalo ukuthi exactly. It's not easy as much as but yeah, my relationship communicate. Do you understand the communicate and the kulma at that time? Because kuluma thing.
No, but I feel like this thing. Okay, I mean, I try to every time I engage a relationship. Understand?
Yeah.
I try to sing before the relationship was serious.
Yeah.
I try to see the mundo approaching my questions that weird. My questions don't get wabu down in normal day. Understand?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because
my sakta is coming.
My sakta, yeah. So the very say. Semathando, understand? Lapho angithini mina.
Sesengafika iphathi I know this person so I can judge him.
Usually mina angibubuda ama question la. Usually I tell you about myself. Ngitshela ukuthi accept. Mina I've been doing this, understand? Angikuthandi lokho, angibelieveli kulokho, understand? Ngeke sengwale just because ungishithela, understand? Ngakwalela ukuthi ungishitheleleni, understand? Ngeke ngikwale ukuthi ungishithela because ukushitha is everywhere. It's happening.
Dude, I don't know
kukhona lenye into ukuthi say these people are fucking but they are not cheating. Understand?
Immediately find out the person you saw like I'm like dude, I was just fucking around.
Bengenda le example so ngithi girlfriend ihlala ekuseni hlala Swazini yabo mina ngilami seje kuzinyana ngena njani ngihamba ngibona amahosha ngikhipha 50 rand bona ekuseni come on man. just manje nje beba 5 minutes ngicacile uyahamba amahosha ngibhizi ngidibane naye. Do you consider that as cheating?
It's not particular. It's not.
You understand? I'm like, do you prefer ukuthi
okay besides saying okay start define cheating because cheating is
I know.
Yeah,
because don't know kuba na like rational. As define what is cheating. I'm like by making this example ngizama ukudefine ukuthi cheating yini. Cheating tabang le can meaning so ang approach share.
And
approach sharing ishare sesiyafonelana I miss you nana.
It's like so
you understand? Lo mahosha vele ngicetha naye nyalo ugona ngibhizi ngimbone maybe
I got replace it in the sex life here.
You understand? I replace the sex life. It's just that when they're using like your rape lapha, you understand? Because
that's it crazy.
You understand? But someone I consider a cheater long.
Yeah.
So
but in the show where's the consideration? I think now whenever the more cool, I think like consideration this person has got man needs. You still have man needs of your own space. You still want to experience other people. You still like it's like every time man thing at times I'm monopolizing you with man. Say your life has to be central around me.
I ain't seen it.
Outside work, you go hang out with your friends.
Bro, I'm talking to this chick. But I'm like, except I don't know bang lobati go boputi. I don't know bang gandu bafana na. But like nah, I understand. But ever since I started Tanzania now, I feel like it disrespect towards when I feel no poster.
Just
I'm like, bro, do you understand what's a million? I can't tell you. Because
yeah,
it's like when I say that Toshin million. I do understand.
I'm here to play a role.
You understand? I mean, as long as you find me, because this thing I'm sure you this one would say, we are cheat. You understand? We are hide and about put to hence why I'm calling poster. Asisi we sondweni. Nani bazalwane nomchita nishitile sondweni. it's a great pitch, it's a nice pitch, it's a great moment.
Yeah,
But like, you understand? You don't even have to put the caption. You understand? I mean, I hardly put my caption. Put my captions in over. I hardly put my caption. I sit in the shooting ngishutena seswakho waseswatini balebanga mati understand ngiyamposta lapha mina pa caption seswazi banibanyana I'm like empilweni yakho angitini manje into eshintsha into le
that's the thing mina like
sekumele ube ne-fake nebantu balahla ngenxa soku relationship mayiphela relationship sona njani.
I literally stopped doing that like poster because of that shit. Like not to say I was like I'm giving in to these people and I was like I'm choosing my struggle. I'm full every day. Like I said, like only literally that net bandabaning when call this thing. I'm not saying good. I'm engaged. Relationship settings, can be hookups, one night stands, and I'm not saying I'm going to do it, but literally I can confess before everyone else, I'm single, like completely single. Now, for that very reason, let's accept. Once you get a relationship with dates, it's everything. You should like imagine some cousins in the store, you should take a sabe. You'll be like, dude.
But I do you know what's the usual? Okay, mangenda analysis ya more data on someone who's insecure.
Dude, I insecure these days, especially when you're hardly. But I have to make that disclaimer that accessing a current approachable gay, like guys, I'm hiding please. It's not approachable gay, let me Shanghai. Just give a shit for God's sake.
What's the balance?
And I'm cool minute. That way I say, my problem maybe being down by something go with somebody low around our ages and say Ubabe long time before you know what I say for quite some time I was literally sure with the very lendo libasola belaza mabu lahlekisa ngayo vele bekede ngayo mbamba ubhiza umfikela liso uyakhamba I'm like him
Ubabe lomtsala
lomtsala hayi kancane lomtsala lo ka serious
guys anikuthe bobabo wena
and after some time I'm like bantu bathakukwa na le
angazi mina stabilize
Bengicala itolo
ngiyabona siyobona somizi kuphela
bengicala itolo like and at least for somizi say somebody lo hambe na this thing to ifeel yabo nani like you could literally and futhi okay I think that guy we bottom because ngendlela beka ngiapproach akakhona yi yathi sekuzwafika to a point lapho ngibakhe abo manje kuse ndakubenza ndakubenza manje because ngihlangane naye ePepsel nakasuka lapho ngamsevisa induku lapho waphuma uyongena eShoprite nafika eShoprite ube like hi I'm like
kuleza kwethu
and that now ngahlangana naye kuthe nangafika kukhomba ngabe like a blessing amsuka lo mtsala nende lo ude anything engakhomba ukuthi
no yapuchu.
You say like even show voice yakhe even she character yakhe mina ngicala kubona nje masaqala bhiza ngiblowela ama keys ukuthi how kanti lento
mina ngangathi singahamba bengise eNedland Park ngihamba ngithi ngiye down qhamuke imoto ifika ngimela awuye down mfowethu I'm like mfowethu ngiye down and eqhamuka imvubu ubungizo nomjidi kusuka ngivela ngithi nomjidi wangisidi kusasivayo ngingena phe emotweni yakhe sesiyacoca la ngibana ngimtshela ngisabelo so hayi nami ngizibani so sebenzela translate ngisupervisor nani
it's successful but
it's successful
bro work ethic yato ikulenya class mfana
like tabana ngitimbalo ngiyabona tihlupheka mina
work ethic even yathi uqinisile kuse even ngisho nema both lesbians and gays yabo even noma kuthiwa labantu laba basede any source of income somewhere they always have a plan lo excel abantu laba bagcoka impahla lethi serious labete imali abe lo muntu angasebenzi
then sitabane sihambe naso okay by the time angazi sitabane ngibone nje ukuthi okay uthi fasele uJaman understand but abothomo bafasa amaJaman understand you wouldn't see that understand not saying sitabane you will see this from that so mangifika ne parking lapho mose Shoprite ngehle mina ishusho mfowethu ngibongile manje phezu inyongo vele ngifuna iMr Alba lapha eShoprite asubujita hayi nami ngeShoprite ungangishiyi mina ngiphuma phela ngarage kusele yakhengo phela siphuma ngimele lapha eminyango sigini siyahamba singene eShoprite ngifike ngithathe iMr Alba inukulelenye i-aisle mina ngilala ku chemist yaseShoprite ngifike ngithathe iMr Alba hambe mangifike line athi now I'll pay for this yeah I'm like I know mfowethu ngiphethe man hathi no relax then kunasama ngalo sebenza lapha eShoprite lo ngathi athi hey famisa asisizi isibule kombo njalo sisikhulu athi hey
usubizi
manje futhi kwesekalanga
yeah
uyayazi uthi vele baza zawe ngisibili kubhizi ngalo mfowethu athi hey awusho ngani besihleli kangaka awusho ngani ngisibili futhi abisho ngani imali athi mfowethu hayi konkolo kala ngempela manje nathi azulu konkolo angitshele ngandlela leyo
akuyathaba umusa
ngeyo mayibhaderele arab singicala ngedebuti ngithi why but ngilokho just ade ngamba la ngikho and immediately basho lokho sekuyaclick indlela yakhuluma ngayo
and that's the thing say when at that time
once it immediately emehlweni omaqala sekenda so bekasona ngande ona immediately
so bona kusemosheni before
masika ngisecela le Alba yami iphuma ngapha mina ngivele endlini asi no ngiyajika ngithuze nami uzojika nami ngeke ngikunike lento ukafika endlini I'm like when you like so very what to start so yeah and you say ngazo uzojona nami abantu
but I think this is unfair
Liana ngaphandle singithatha sidabane sambe masibuyele endlini sithi kusene bizingani like ngikho bizingani next futhi uphuma umsebenzi sekusene mina ngidibanela abantu abaningi ngabe ngikho serious ngempilo wena userious ngempilo mlala yonke serious athi lethi number yakho mina yazi ngitshela ukuthi ngiphathe transnet ngizimine yabe ushiyo mfethu athi ulungisa amaphepha akho ngizokufaka ngizimine
Marisa, do you think that's the worst you could stoop for as a guy for span?
Someone would say
I think the only problem
I know, but I wouldn't consider it, so I don't know what's bro, just imagine getting fucked by another guy.
No, but that's when I job. But I think because me nekhona la project ine azange lathi siyofaka laba like I say I just want to give you the best blow job you've ever experienced.
Wait. Enjoy my cheering pay
Out that my chicken is jolly.
I feel like I do enjoy with the thing like that, bro.
Like okay, I'm not saying we see I wouldn't need to blow job, but I'm like, what if mangachi am a blow job or saying I enjoy?
My problem is that I feel like as success. Ngabe asinato itabane nebana ba bisexual ngendlela if abazange baba like yathi as explore usiya explore we enjoy ngani so wena
anal phela baqala kuma exploration
yeah baqala exploration so we enjoy ngani so njani
ngayizama mina anal
sengistabani impilo yami yonke
angazi ngithola ithe le wild ngale
ngiyena ngayithola azanga enjoy
noma ukuthi every time makuyi moment of your wildness ngisuwenzaliwe so angingifeels asisizamile
usually angasi ngaba wild na someone in a relationship naye it's usually my one night stand yo not saying ngiyawenda my one night stand I'm saying
mina ngiyawenda mina lapho nje ngifuna ucame nawe mina ngifuna ucame
ngiyaba respect abantu besifazana I'm sure nabo bayazi ukuthi ngiyaba respect
which even they said you should about respecting abantu besifazana
imagine
not respect anyway at that moment we are respect anyway
akhona manje rota shama next
yo okay most yawo lengahlangana nabo after the one night stand besafuna something more bese ngashut down kuba it was a one night stand just understand it was a one night stand yabo but akhona umuntu lengahlangana nawo most yawo afuna something more but like akhona umuntu lengahlangana nawo angafuni into more like it was a one night stand to understand And okanye uDom vele kwayilook relationship.
Yeah.
Available to yeah.
I mean,
And I so enjoy those and
Understand.
not particularly more one night stand, but about casual relationships. Look, like say the person understands what they say. We are casual with this person.
Mina ngingadibana ngasibeka yi-1 phela le casual. Understand? Most of my children niyavumela like say this is
Casual.
Understand? You don't have to call me, you don't have to say baby, you don't have to, it's casual, understand? You can fuck whoever, but it's now
Noma singabitela nje ngitsintwana.
hardly. Immediately just athatha 2-3 weeks.
When
usangina, I'm like bitch like
don't you think ukuthi wena the kind of a person though like natural romantic? Because I think in most cases kuba in that case it's the person uyalapha like that friend.
No, I think the reason there are these things because I'm not the romantic person.
Yeah.
Do you know who's my character? It sounds my nice guys.
Yeah.
My character. It sounds
that does wrong. I don't know. Does that mean that you're a nice guy?
More romantic.
But very more romantic.
More romantic. You can only be a nice guy.
So penny.
Imagine me nyonke babe ngiseshana nemidoli lengiyoyinika batata.
Yeah.
Sengiphethe ama-bloom la.
Okay, you know I say uzubone ukuthi most abantu laba around ibile hambela bangadi mina kusasa. Nini ngipostele enye video on my line. Ngize futhi like
Ngibonile Rose bephethe iflower.
Yeah, bephethe ama flowers nje ngokuhlanganisile khona. Ngize ngithi kusandile siphuma emsebenzini. Ngize ngithi kusandile kusasa. Buka ngifuna ukucreate i-controversy. Yabo lama flowers lawa sawa ngifuna kwahlanganisa imali nani. Let's post a caption. So on that video, dude, I was even telling Sunday to say, you know, it's started with 2018 issue, just so much pictures. I don't know how to take a picture, man, but I'm good at posing.
Yeah.
Now, on that picture, I'm looking at someone.
Yeah.
Unless it's like I'm interacting with someone and like not creating control. And literally that's what the video did. And the band I'm not a flower guy. It's actually, I'm seeing somebody will give them flowers, I'm seeing somebody will receive them flowers. I wouldn't say you would see if somebody I'm negating, but I would dude, good for you. But it doesn't move me like literally.
Nah, makes sense.
Like I remember when I examining now. Every now and then being part of the flower, yeah, when I saw next man, I'm being for the flower. Like literally, except before we broke up, I made it a thing. We go around, so finally the flower life now. I'm telling you, and long time I was a right pace out that. I was doing that because the person throughout our entire relationship was calling their flower. I'm not a flower guy.
I mean, I think, okay, I don't know what's in I'm not into this Western romance, bro. Let me I'm totally romantic, bro.
I feel that my flowers are no guy.
I feel, but we don't
want to that day. I know because the washer stand you like wow, I think I can't stand the flower, then you are crazy.
Meaning say I'm from again.
But
my flowers.
Belungubani my waste tasting it in the details. Belungubani phuma nalokho ukudla. Baba like he taste amanzi now just taste out like this is the worst shit thing I taste like in the
mina nje kuthiwa ngiyafika China basinathi ixoxo
uyayibona
ngiyabonga dani
bona batakutshela ukuthi this is khang like noma ungazubite ngamungezi
noma ngabite ngesi-Chinese nesi-French right
I'm cool.
I don't know mina ngangahlala phansi ngaba like shothi angikho romantic except because this thing I think moving baba
oh yeah
bamba except mina nje kuthiwa
but I think it shows nami ngilele because mina I learned a lot from being around my relationship. Some of these things, I think maybe it's one of the things that I started from when, or maybe those very thinking okay, romantic because
what is romance according to you? Okay, just describe it as someone who feature what. So, meaning, like except this would make my day if you were to get me this. If you are a kid, if you be like this.
But okay, for me, for a partner, what would make my day or what would make our relationship is somebody learning understanding. There's nothing excelling a craver more
than
understanding. Not good to understand I mean. Yabona. Understand my situations. What's excel? England obukhuluma ngayo manje. What's excel? Cheating. It's a topic sihlale phakathi relationship discuss it because these days insist we exclude my relationship of which is something they say says in a stand like yeah. Except I'm saying right now, think of 5 people like my relationships are serious. Tell me of one who those relationships don't cheat. I'm not saying cheating too late. I'm saying someone low that's even no matter an opportunity they open especially my guys they open for a one night stand that like meaning I pass because I'm committed to my relationship. No one. Yeah, and you like it say if and all your guys everyone is doing this thing. But we see somebody without believe what meaning one boyfriend.
I think Manchester sounds like a fantasy.
Yeah, you like dude, that's crazy, man.
Because most of the time I'm talking about cheat. I know, bro. Like, you understand? It's something like you understand? It's something like no having a phone, no having any phone.
Yeah, but yeah, it's coming.
What was no more?
You can't win all.
You can't win all.
Yeah.
But in my conversation now, because I was so moving.
Like in English, I mean that's why the two and extend is not I could like I tell me relax. So many in time I went these experiments with myself. But I'm going to tell about this relax. Many now choose the CB not together because of me. Yeah, well. Meaning I'm the guy as much as good out to me, I do a lot of my one night stand. I'm doing my night stand, my one night stand meaning my casual relationship when I know what I'm seeing. Yeah, and when a band looked up like I said, I'm not in a relationship with you. Every now and then. Like this is casual, it's something you can go and find somebody else. Long they insist that they want to make this thing a relationship. But so can I so believe we are in a relationship.
So how true is this? So someone lo shadile, Uba like I said, do you know for guys cheating in the relationship is strong? Not cheating, I'm saying kukang ngaphandle.
Okay, yeah. For ukangile guy noma
magangele guy.
Okay.
Asisithi nje ngithola one night stand yabo. Then because I feel guilty nani I would come back and say my roses and my pizza and understand into is a conscious umphathi wami uyajabula so camera take
how many minutes? Yeah.
I'm such a piece. I keep busy. Flash lights.
I don't know why we did the flash.
It's just like cut.
I don't know. I sound like cut this thing. I think I do. Now we don't have that concept. I do understand. Besides, I think cheating is different for guys and girls.
Obvious.
Yeah. For my chain, cheating is something they can get passed by. I don't know how they do it except because I can see chair. I understand out here, I find out here, what's going on in Tony Noak. But I'm certain you might cheat. Meaning it's tell me of one guy, let's see when snap boyfriend I'm cheatela, I'll be a colisa, Sasha Pasta and Satin, and I'm trying to solo see happy says something. Umtita kakhulu le cheating. Umtita
mara bro.
Angamane angasho ukuthi ngidlulile sichubeke sibe soyi2 but the reaction
I once tried that shit exactly. I said I would pretend as because I actually did love that chick, understand?
Yeah.
What happened? I ended up hating her.
Just imagine.
Every time, bro, as I couldn't win any gesture, as I couldn't win anything. I remember this one time. So, I actually standing for his cat. So, must have a sexy. Nothing to be understand.
Okay, yeah.
But now because you feel like guilty, understand?
Oh, fuck!
So-
That's my
So, but me anxiety yabo. You know, feel like guilty, but like I want to see this guy. Yeah, I'm compensating. He can do everything, understand? Biang attend the double blow job, understand? Biang I enjoy doggy style, understand? But the time after the cheating, bro, now over the blow job, I'm like, just why enjoying a part.
Yeah, but I'm like, she's the chill humble experience.
Yeah, man. And only maybe I didn't find that bad now because it's saying conscious na compensate and I feel like guilty.
So I'm like making up.
You understand? I'm like,
Damn.
I zang be there alone. Understand? I'm like,
But I mean, I discover would say I can't do it, but again, I test that why I can't demote somebody from officially something a bit so difficult. I can't demote somebody from a serious relationship to my pain. Yeah, but the person thinking I test and in the lane then as I now, but except we can't even have this casual thing. Yeah, I think it could even before the person started doing whatever shit they were doing. Yeah, the person wanted to get something on me. Knowing six, I want over when.
yeah.
It's a liar somehow. Yeah. Again, and
I want game.
It's still 45 minutes and I won't.
I want game.
I want to relax.
You just said it.
And then
You don't need
so look, please, I'm Shabbat to Akonapa.
I mean, I'm cutting.
I ain't getting coming
camera so.
Just let's have what to put me on a part.
Oh, front your music.
Yeah, but music hello.
Yeah, start keep it in mind. Just a question.
That's about looking to the plug it to since I'm plug it.
I'm not let's say that much.
So the cherry, I was like, okay, it's fine. I can move you from being a serious thing to pain. But the problem would see the cherry, I think would see in everything level I end up would see I got you. Big sort of that I got you moment.
Oh.
Yeah, boy. So even nice can't say we casual. Every time they come and think it's surprising that you're saying they would. I'm like, why would you do something like that?
I'm like, I thought you were plotting.
It's
chilly.
chilly, yeah, boy. Go find your end with it. Dude, okay, it's fine. So, my papa, my jabon. C'est so chula. As we made so chula, my jabon. My phone's going to say, I must have scat to present. Say, go be scats now. Yeah, boy. Would decide they were in a goodie. Uto yela ya phone call off my boom. Then so hey, funa ngembambe lona. Mshado ubona itu.
What are we doing?
I do understand ukuthi mshado but sithe
sivumelene.
Yabona. Or I decide to go to my phone ayo kututa tino. Ube ukututelene tino leto. Yeah, bengifila ngazuthi wena khona abantu ofocus asikho anything mina nawe.
Bomakho manyesa ngalo. But ke kude ngifuna ukuthi akuthini.
Wena ikade angisakhoni nelwana nekubuyisa ngala kuma khwapheni because I understand ukuthi I rather ne stress ngekuthi ngizama kwenda amakhwapheni but wena bongafuni ukuya lapho. But mina nawe we like it say as for right now says
what's the right time to put the phone your partner wakho?
There's no right time to put the phone now. Could tell you phone your partner. Okay, for me I'm full of the phone your partner.
Okay, as is partner okay full.
Yummy I can give them at any time. I mean, you know, in the Zamagel every time in a relationship, I try to all me with him. This person bring her unfold na everything lengakhona ukuthi I understand ayadinga yabona if kunasabelo empilweni yami lengaduthi kusasabela sikho sika so if kuthiwa ngiyachitha or ngende something le foul yabo I make sure ukuthi that thing I leave in trace yabo so if maybe it does leave if I can't make it with I leave in trace angiyendi sahlobo mina I can ngihlanga ngibe like I'm loyal just ukuthi manje do you know that sometimes uyichitha ematerini nge-character not ngekuthi nge-age
abangase bakubambe
yeah yena nje unale character yokuthi
guilty by association
yeah sabe too cool to be seen yabo sabe lamachita lekahamba nawo busy too much
le moto bahamba ngayo
le moto bahamba ubona ituthi
come on
I work hard ukuthi ngihambe ngale moto le it doesn't mean
mara chitino ukuthi kusekuchitha ku yadura chitho
bengadoki nawe this thing bengithiya sandile
yadura chitha
uchitha kuyadura mfana yathi uthi girlfriend ungaba like excel esilenyanga ngina next mfethu ngicela ukuneta 500 rand for the entire month I understand ukuthi beba kana next time ngeke utshela amakhopeni ukuthi sisetshalela ngikhona ukuthenga ama-sevana a-340
inomfika seyathi iphelile phi
yeah that's iphelile phi and waqala noba like angisana mali next week isiwamba ngabangani
I remember bro ngaqala ngichitha ngalesi chick but in that time I think it was 2020 or something mangichitha nale cherry next I got hooked I know ukuthi siyachitha but I got hooked into le yangihookha yini to this day I can see ukuthi into le yangihookha ukuthi this chick bengekho she was not your ordinary chick ukuthi asiyele siyaya
crazy
I understand she was playing hard to get and I'm a natural angithanzi loser nje you understand so which I don't know ukuthi the week game yakhe vele or natural vele she doesn't give a fuck bro I remember this chick babe wawafonela makwakhe waba like namuhla ngibuye ekhaya singabani ngishaya so
anawo
what the fuck okay you can see with this chick say she's willing ukuthi bamshaya ekhaya just kusabe nami you understand
but kusase kuseni sokusamba loba like etsana ngicorrect to check I'm feel njalo
ahamba ekhaya kibe mina abe like say anginamuntu la camera ngifuna ukubona I'm like bro
kahle ufuna kuba
itulu sacrifice ekushaya namuhla free like I'm confused bro like what's going on I'm like ngicela ungangifonela tawufona mina what if I was up forward but like what's tell her kwagela imessage yabo la I'm like
hey that's a fuck ayo
bro yabo to this day I'm still thinking about that chick malafika babe vele I make sure she's set babe malafika masihamba sejwaleni babe and she was into lebe yinhle ngale cherry she was beyangathi umuntu lapha enzaweni okay like bebamati ukuthi church girl abatati bebathi ukuthi ujola le ngaphandle mabe but most abantu bebathi uthi le virgin actually ngicela yasendina ngelithi one day nje ngifika naye etshwaleni ngihamba phambili mina mangiphuma ngibito ngilomunye umjidi the cherry hambe yodwa mangihamba etshwaleni manje thathela ukuthi hamba yodwa phela ngina tsayaki ngihambe nami ngimele lapha ekutheni ngihambe ngithenga ngibilethe lapho ukuhlela imngani wakhe ngibalethele nemngani wakhe manje abela khina le awutiyazama izama emabhili manje detaki bato ngapressure sikusele cherry hamba nathi le masuza I'm like okay abantu nje ngisuke nami kayi
nami ngiyayenda
ngimela ngithi it's okay manje laqhubekana nje lapha babone cherry seyisukuma intaki into ofuna njalo but ayisho sukudlala umjida mana sahamba naye anochero hamba naye bro lo cherry wafika ngimo sengifuna to experiment kahle kahle you understand I want us to do the craziest things with you the craziest things you can think about nature the craziest I remember this one time safike sapaka imoto ngendla kwakhayini. Understand? Sahamba salalisa taxi. Yeah. I remember one time yomlanzi ngafika ngamdlala ematsheni lapha ngakhayini. Khanye Apollo babe lapha. You understand? Don't ingabani le risk nje le thrill ukuthi kusengingabani la. Space. I'm like, whoa. That chick had me going, bro. But what's like Nyamala? What village was accept? It's okay. It was nice to be with you. Understand? I'm not saying I enjoy sex and I enjoy it, but since it's time to go back to reality. Boyfriend and me are witnesses. I'm like, who the boyfriend all alone? I'm like, yeah, bro. I was like, come on, you're killing me.
Kodwa macheli mara bantwana lobona athi abulawo my hero mfana. Ayi manje macheli ukuthi let is strong ba. Ayi cool. Yes.
And I mean, I thought my humble cherish would come back a bit. Gone forever. Forever, baby. To the point ukuthi mina ngiyambona ku social media nani. Understand?
Makude ufika ukuthi athi ngimbhalele something.
No.
No, mhlawumbe iyafika phela bese
No, iyafika game. Yeah, iyafika. I remember this one time, man. Ngibhala message ngibhala abangami like, bro, this new baba, this is That's I am tormented. To this day, I'm not going to carry on my symbol. To this day.
Ngile ngaba le cherry ngibani. Okay, mina yathi kuba nendeke ukuthi lo cherry went in the west because mina at that moment vele my west le bar west yami very low.
Oh, very low.
Once I understand things better, I'm like this shit thing in the west just because me very weak. Normal was easy to understand things. Meaning I'm the worst person I'm the worst reactor guma situations. Yeah. My normal situations. But I'm fast at understanding first thing. Yeah, I'm a fast learner. When I think I say 2 years back I would have taken this spam, this big and back in going thing. Yeah, then man, I'm like, say, give me five of these things. I'll just check them down like that. That's how I call them a check about I want to sit down. Okay, then this chick actually would see when I think Masilan cousin in hindsight because now this thing I'm reconnecting later. Good, reconnected. Now I think I'm reconnecting later. I'm just when they are 1, 2, 3. Nothing is in a book very as I ended at that 1, 2, 3. But you know, she believes with you at that 1, 2, 3. And saying the kind of slash I mean, the night notice and knows that it could be a team 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So, but I remember the first time finally. So, anything the one I would say, I have made you engage on your social life. Unga tweets my choices in you. For now, it's either we are cleaner or we are pega or anything, Chanel, anything, Chanel banner. I think there's something they know before. I remember that day in final. I have explained because it's one funny like I told about I can say that's a swam and this is one of the Hispanic saying now salami one and or fee. I have explained done and I cleaned the entire house.
Just reading
before what if I was telling me I was dancing because the teacher in Korope pass in you are spotless. Yeah. Never hammer and then shower Nangita, should I tell them? I want to say, I want to tell them they are just something else. Should I tell young in their creative? We are that in the IT. Yeah, Mommy for that success and prominently, and she understands the distance. And you're like, okay, near the happening. One gonna tell my number of kids. Mom don't go Satan. Yeah, go. What's in Gena? Ungale. Patrol. Yabo. Ngena blessing ngena ngise patrol ngiyavela manje. Ngiyangena. ngihlale esofeni. Okay, ngicleanile naye phela ngiyangena ngihlale esofeni. Yeah, at that moment here awkwardness mawufika seyitama ungena ne-chair lenta for the first time endlini. You don't know whether ufuna uhlale lapha endlini ufake itandla lana ufuna ukugoqa ufuna ukubeke lana ufuna yeah, you don't know ukuthi ufuna itandla tibeke kuphi. Like ngiyangena duty I'm like bamba maphilo ngiyawalungisa and ngikhipha ifoni yami ngibambe esandleni nana. After a while avele le chair yabo makachama kantwana I don't know. Listen, ufake i-night dress. I don't know what dress, but I think it's a night dress because they yeah, that thing ntwana iphelela la ma-hips athi ntwana yabona la mkhathi no la ma-hips nawathi la ma-hips iphelela la mkhathi no la ma-hips then lavula la ma-legs ntwana that beauty leya nto mfana fire ke wena fire hayi ita beauty leya nto ntwana yabona yawathi ma-legs elta beauty angabi mhlophe ntwana abe dark asuka abe smooth ntwana ukuthi noma ungahambisa isandla so you can't feel any whatever ntwana smooth. I was like, God, take me home.
Take me to church.
Yeah. Smooth ntwana.
Yeah.
It's like the bathroom. Yeah, it was supposed to be a shower or something. And we were activities here. Then unamandu wachitsa khona la khatsa ane drainage la khatsa yachitsa nakuswa kuphumi uthatha lamafutha for kwabeke kanje uthathe lenyawo azikuyabo ukuthi mina ngihleli ngokwakhe ngikoshow lenyawo tangi yabo uthathe lenyawo dawo ulibeke kanje bese uthatha lamafutha hey wakithima kangaka fana vele ushithi boso ngijake ngaleyo ndlela
Ayibo.
Salelo
Shijulile.
Ewa. Fine. Nasika lapho. Uhleli kanje. Okay, ayagcobisa. Yabona bayagcobisa. So when I'm trying to ease into the moment because it's my first time ngoba sendlini khayini. Yes, must so to sibonana outside and I'm fine because nami captures with space is fine. But namhla space sakho and finally see because ngiyakwazi sabelo sengifika khayini sengivula amabhodo sengivula ama fridge lokho ngakwenza if mhlambe sengingafika khayini several times but it's my first time.
Yeah.
I will like the check after a while the check I will like how ngazi ngana bathi ngathi naye samzobeka nyawo lami tuba kwa ufuna kumgcobisa. Okay. So ungilekelela le check ukuthi be comfortable. Ngithathe amafutha I'm like okay no uthini wena ngona mbuzi
Shejweni.
Ngithi ngiyagcobisa nebigeleza
I was imposing into it.
ngithathe amafutha ntwana ngimgcobise yabo lethi I think to mina so every time mina ngisebenza ngepulse ukuthi okay if ngithatha la ngibuke reaction kusithi like yeah mesende even she check like ngivumelene ukuthi okay dibuto mbasha pachawasho explicit kusebenza so yabo so mawumbamba uqala umbamba sandle ukuthi okay uyavuma ngisibamba mawumdosifika okay uyavuma mawumkhisi uyavuma then yabo
Testing the waters.
yeah so nalana ngiya ngicobisa mangifika la yabo ngifuna ukubona ukuthi utangivumela ukuthi ngihambe ngala I'm like mina inkinga sokugcokele part lena ngiyende njani abeleka ungakukhuphula masibo yeah ngingakukhuphuli phesini ngikhuphule lesandla singene silana nansi ngibathi ngiyafika ephendini angifiki
Sangena.
angibathi ngiyafika ephendini angifiki my remember mina mfaka sekumgcobisa umuntu la mntwana yami like ugcokile yabo akayifaki the person only in that moment but nangifika discover ukuthi akayifaki ipheni ngitawendani yabo mangiphakamisa le mehla ngimbuka kanje ngiyabona ngimkhaza umuntu ongibukile kanje yabo I'm like mina how awukacobi abe like umcolile fana nawe mos noma wena mawuphuma egezeni vele ucoba ngisho nema-under
Sange.
hayi no abe like soyekile kumgcobisa kanjani dude I was like yabona noma ngathiwayo
Siyatetema.
ngasifaka lesandla tala nasuka sangasaphumi what naqala amona from there I was like hayi I'm gone yeah yadlapha kwasekwendayo bangesesofeni ntwana athi ngiyeva ukuthi okay manje ingathi iyavasha ntwana sengiyeva ukuthi okay and uwait mfana kwasabu maku ivulela kancane kanje ukuthi uve ukuthi liyafika liyathatha uwait lo muntu but awungeni yasani struggle leso lo muntu kubambe ngalamathanga ukuthi awukhoni ukungena but liyeva ukuthi okay kumandi lapho fun for a while ntwana for a while then after that wabona ukuthi guys sengistruggle is too much wangithatha sayinova kuthi kambe
Fire.
but that's why I'm like the children was a master technician but then what never disappeared then I was like man I'm very ngabona ukuthi this was a master technician yeah then later just reconnect I'm like when I was cala nothing so I'm like damn let me see master technician meaning ain't something that like ngaqala so kuba introduced kwami kulo chair bekuthrough seswakhe yabona then I don't know noma waxoxela seswakhe or something yabo seswakhe wasoqala I think after me sengqala check wakawuthola ukuthi too much seswakhe so mina understand lo you understand ukuthi seswakhe we were friends even before yena fee so ngachubeka mina hang out naseswakhe then short seswakhe bathi ngabiya ngayo amxoxele ukuthi it's not blessing kwagcina like lapha endlini khayilibe it's a thing sengazi competition ngathi ba competition seswakhe then waba like yena say I won't compete for a guy then wase so ya move on then after a while like dude when I'm supposed to decide to go hook up on seswakhe I'm like dude really ngaba I think just ngimchaza dude benge hook up seswakhe kube ngide very same person ngaba ngaka ngintroduce kuwo
Anzavele ko late.
azange yenda in sense not how many minutes okay guys I don't know what this is about but yeah sharp